Like, tell me why I wake up every day, watch the randomest videos. Girl, just get out of bed. Like, this is Lana Del Rey singing a song she never released. This is a girl I don't know putting on skincare products. Ooh, this actually could be interesting information for my work. I gotta get up. The OOTD is coming together very well. Something about this blazer and button-down shirt combo, I just devour it. So I was inspired to wear this look because this orange bag is just such a cutie, and I was like, I want to style a look around it, but then the outfit kind of transformed, and I don't know if I'm feeling the orange bag anymore. Maybe I'll go with a classic. We've got the Gucci Jackie. It is perfect. I have an office day today. Fashion editor life. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the vlog. It has been so long since I talked to you guys because I have been the most inconsistent queen. I always come back and I'm like, guys, I'm back. I'm doing the vlog thing, we're back, and then I'm like, ghost. But this time around, I am here. I am here. I am speaking that into existence, even though deep down I'm like, am I here? I am here. I'm here, and I'm going to be back vlogging because I am embarking on a very exciting life journey that I'm excited to announce today. And I want to vlog the whole thing because I think YouTube actually helped me make this decision. Watching other people's vlogs helped me make this decision. But I woke up one day going through a bit of a funk, and I just woke up one day and was like, you know what? I need to leave. I need to get out of here. I realized I've been living in New York for almost 4 years, and I love New York. I don't want to move, but I think there's so much more of the world to see. I think I really realized that this summer with all the travel I've done in the past year. Like, I've been like, dang, there's a lot more in the world to see than just living in New York. So I decided I was going to get my coins together and book a flight to Paris, and within 2 days I did. It was the most impulsive thing I've ever done. I booked a flight to Paris with nowhere to stay, no plans, by myself, and now I guess I'm going in like 4 days, and I haven't started packing, and I found a place to live. It's going to be an amazing experience, and I feel like I need to bring the vlog camera along with me. Today I'm going to do like a little test vlog to practice vlogging since it's been so long since I vlogged. So now let me walk you through what we're gonna do today because I'm so excited. It's gonna be a good day. I have a preview in the morning. When you're a fashion editor, publicists represent usually a plethora of brands, and they will have press days where we can go and we can attend and we can see all the new pieces that are coming out in the next season, or maybe they're available to shop now in person and get to meet a lot of the publicists that we work with face to face and just catch up. I have a preview today in the morning at 11 a.m. and then I have an office day. We have a meeting. I'll be with my coworkers vibing. Then I am going to a gifting suite slash preview of some new collections. I'm also gonna pick out some pieces for Paris. And then Ferrari, okay guys, Milano, F1, that vibe. Ferrari basically has a luxury fashion brand now. I don't know if you knew this. I need to make a TikTok about this when I get there, but Ferrari invited me to see their collection, which showed recently in Milan, but I get to see it in person, feel the clothes, touch the clothes, get face to face with the clothes. And then this lingerie brand called Cuckoo Intimates that just launched is having a dinner tonight. So I'm gonna be going to that dinner. But guys, this is my life. What I just described, the fact that that's my day-to-day, like, and it literally is, like, pretty much every day is like this. Dang, I'm living an interesting life. I used to write about this and like manifest this life into existence. If you guys want a video on manifesting, I feel like that would be fun. But yeah, I used to manifest this life into existence, and that's what I'm living today. If you look back at my old videos, I'm living a very different life, and I'm like dreaming of this life. So I'm excited to take you guys with me on my day. Yeah, I'm getting ready for Paris, so when I get to work, I will be plugged in, like, you have no idea. And I'm so excited for today. Yay! It's hard to make a midtown office feel like a vibe, but I do my best with it. My favorite part of my workday is writing down my to-do list, and that's what I'm doing right now. So yeah, and I'll just be here working until God knows when. aesthetically pleasing New York City neighborhood. It's gonna be the next West Village, guys. Bagel secured.
Gotta have gas, Mom. Can I get in that picture? I can't get in the picture with you. Shit, us construction workers do just as much as officers. We help make the city.
So I first went to this preview, MVPR, and they ended up showing me their new collections for their brand. Some of my favorite brands by them are Baum und Federgarten with Jean. I got to take home something, so I'm gonna show you guys that right now. Well, let me show you guys what they gave me because I'm so excited about it. You can feel like you were there with me because I did not film a thing. But I got the Nana Jacqueline skirt, a micro mini. Then I got this dress, which I'm definitely gonna wear in Paris, with like a cropped blazer. It is a little princess dress. I love how short it is. And then I got this dress that maybe I'll wear in Spain or like in a summer, on a hotter day in Paris. It's a maxi dress. It's like ribbed until the low rise. It's got that drop waist vibe that we all love. Then I got this skirt, this tailored skirt, along with this blazer, and boom. I've got a little set there. So excited to wear this also for Paris. And last but not least, I got this little one-piece swimsuit. I love a cutout. I'm a big swimsuit girl. Read a ton of swimsuit articles and I have probably 100 swimsuits. So yeah. Yay! I'm so excited about that. Well, let me show you guys what they gave me because I'm so excited about it. You can feel like you were there with me because I did not film a thing. But I got the Nana Jacqueline skirt, a micro mini. It's pleated, it's fun. Then I got this dress, which I'm definitely gonna wear in Paris. It is a little princess dress. I love how short it is, short and fun. And then I got this dress that maybe I'll wear in Spain or like in a summer, on a hotter day in Paris. It's a maxi dress. It's got that drop waist vibe that we all love. So freaking cute. Love that. Then I got this skirt, this tailored skirt, along with this blazer, and boom. I've got a little set there. So excited to wear this also for Paris. Everything's for Paris. And last but not least, I got this little one-piece swimsuit. I love a cutout. I'm a big swimsuit girl. Read a ton of swimsuit articles and I have probably 100 swimsuits. So yeah. Yay! I'm so excited about that. Ferrari was so cool. If you guys didn't know, Ferrari is a fashion brand too. They launched during COVID and they show in Milan. So they do runway collections and they're pretty elevated luxury brand, which is fun. Guess who did not change? Me. Because I don't know why, but today has just been so stressful and I was not in the mood, which is so unlike me. But also I'm overwhelmed right now by my closet. It needs to be cleaned out. I think tomorrow I'm gonna do that while I'm packing. I was just gonna pack and then deal with the closet later, but it's gonna happen tomorrow. So wearing the same outfit, ready for dinner with Cuckoo Intimates. So excited. Yay! Life imitates art. Very good.